Imagine if humans and robots could coexist and accomplish activities with such extraordinary intelligence and competence that they could not be distinguished from one another. The world of robots is being rocked by OpenAI's most recent invention, Figure 02, which has scientists questioning whether the future is closer than previously believed. Everything you need to know about the Figure 02 robot, its place in the growing area of humanoid robots, and future developments are covered here. Our world is made for the human form. Our arms and legs enable us to move effectively, climb stairs, lift boxes, and perform other tasks. Our hands enable us to use tools and open doors, to serve manufacturing, shipping, storage, and retail beyond the capabilities of single-function robots. Figure 02 combines the dexterity of the human form with state-of-the-art AI. The highly anticipated Figure 02E, the latest product from Silicon Valley's startup Figure AI, has been launched in a daring move that is expected to upend the quickly developing field of humanoid robotics. Following the business's recent $675 million fundraising round, which saw well-known investors, including OpenAI, Jeff Bezos, NVIDIA, and Microsoft, support Figure's audacious goal, the company has made this announcement. Founded by Brett Adcock in 2022, Figure AI has made a name for itself as a leader in the quest to create general-purpose, commercially viable humanoid robots. Figure 01, the company's debut product, demonstrated its sophisticated ability to imitate human form and movement, generating interest in its possible uses in labor-scarce industries like manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, and retail. Is Figure 02 an indication that the world is finally ready for humanoid robots to arrive and transform sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, and services? Will robots with AI capabilities, such as Figure 02, eventually become ubiquitous and transform how we work, live, and interact with the world around us? What are the possible advantages and disadvantages of a future in which robots become more advanced and ingrained in society? With Figure 02, the company is ready to advance its groundbreaking technology. Figure's CTO Jerry Pratt, a seasoned humanoid robotics expert with more than 20 years of experience at the Florida Institute for Human and Machine Cognition, IHMC, alluded to notable advancements in the robot's AI systems and physical capabilities, even though specifics regarding the robot's features are still being kept under wraps. The company's current investment round garnered a $2.6 billion value, demonstrating the enormous potential investors perceive in the company's technology. With support from industry titans like Microsoft and NVIDIA, as well as AI powerhouses like OpenAI, Figure is well-positioned to expedite the development of its next-generation humanoid robot and launch it soon. In particular, Figure's collaboration with OpenAI may be crucial to developing the degree of artificial intelligence needed for Figure 02 to independently navigate challenging, unstructured surroundings and carry out daily duties. Figure seeks to develop intelligent embodied agents that can seamlessly interact with the real world by utilizing Microsoft Azure cloud services for infrastructure, training, and storage, as well as OpenAI's state-of-the-art AI research. How can we make sure that humanoid robots, such as Figure 02, are created and used in an ethical manner that upholds human dignity and steers clear of unexpected consequences? What effects might AI robots having the ability to learn and adapt have, possibly surpassing human performance in some tasks? How can the creation and application of sophisticated artificial intelligence, AI robots, especially those that mimic humans, be governed by precise rules and regulations? Goldman Sachs researchers predict that the humanoid robotics market will develop significantly over the next several years, reaching $38 billion by 2035. Entry barriers are falling as the cost of essential components like actuators, motors, and sensors keeps going down, opening the door for more adoption across industries. With the competition to create humanoid robots intensifying, Figure 02's reveal represents an exciting turning point. With a talented group of robotics specialists, wealthy backers, and alliances with AI and tech titans, the business is well positioned to meet the obstacles ahead and realize its goal of creating a general-purpose, commercially viable humanoid robot. Only time will tell how Figure 02 compares to its rivals, and if it can live up to the hype. But one thing is sure: as these sophisticated robots become more and more integrated into the workforce, they will drastically alter the nature of work in the future by assuming tasks that were previously performed by people and creating new opportunities for creativity and productivity. Figure 02's form factor is more streamlined. The Figure 02 robot is about the same size as its predecessor, the Figure 01, although it has a few enhancements. Another component of the robot that has changed over generations is the cabling. In Figure 01, the cabling was intentionally routed outside the chassis to facilitate test harnesses, sensor and motor shifting, and expedite repairs. Does the complexity of AI robots, such as Figure 02, prompt one to consider the nature of consciousness and intelligence? Could Figure 02-like robots eventually achieve actual awareness or consciousness, blurring the lines between human and machine intelligence? As AI develops, how will our perception of consciousness and intellect change? All of the cabling in the Figure 02 generation is integrated into the limbs, shielding it from the elements and getting it ready for extended shifts on a production line. Among the salient attributes are speech-to-speech, using onboard microphones and speakers linked to specialized AI models developed in collaboration with OpenAI. Figure 02 can have speech-to-speech conversations with people. Onboard VLM. Robot cameras can quickly make common-sense visual decisions thanks to Figure 02's onboard vision language model. Battery. To increase the robot's runtime by 50% or more, a 2.25 kilowatt-hours bespoke battery pack is located in the robot's torso. Integrated wiring, higher dependability, tighter packaging, and hidden wires are made possible by integrated cabling for power and computation communication. Cameras. Figure 02 has 6 onboard RGB cameras to fuel its AI-driven vision system, which allows it to see and comprehend the outside world. 4th-generation hands. The most recent human-scale hands have 16 degrees of freedom and strength comparable to a human, allowing them to perform a variety of human-like jobs. CPU, GPU. Compared to the previous generation, Figure 02 has 3 times as much processing and AI inference accessible on board. This makes it possible to carry out fully autonomous AI tasks in the actual environment. Figure 02 recently conducted use case training and AI data collecting at BMW manufacturing to test these new capabilities. Since its founding in 2022, Figure has announced a number of noteworthy accomplishments, in addition to its cooperation with BMW manufacturing. These include a recent $675 million Series B financing and an agreement to collaborate with at GXO Logistics, rival products. Agility Robotics Digit and Aptronics Apollo have been used for comparatively easy jobs. Mercedes-Benz has tested Apollo, and Amazon has tested Digit as well. In a similar vein, Boston Dynamics intends to test its most recent version of Atlas in Hyundai's facilities, while Tesla sees Optimus being used in its manufacturing. Keep in mind Oxford Dynamics. Strider is capable of handling polluted things and navigating challenging terrain. Oxford Dynamics, a Harwell, Oxfordshire-based company, is creating a robot called Strider that will be able to work in dangerous situations, including nuclear, biological, or chemical accidents. The Ministry of Defense has awarded the business a £1 million contract to create and deliver this cutting-edge robot by September. Strider is capable of carrying out semi-autonomous duties and removing contaminated objects, tasks that pose a risk to people. The robot is extremely adaptable in a variety of settings, including those related to the Novichok attack in Salisbury, because it is built to navigate challenging terrain, utilizing infrared, radar, and LiDAR capabilities. Oxford Dynamics director Mike Lawton hopes to improve world safety by constructing thousands of Strider robots. He stresses how crucial it is to use robots rather than people in life-threatening circumstances. To further increase Strider's capabilities, the business also intends to upgrade it with Avis AI software, which is modeled after Jarvis from the Iron Man movies. The founder, Shefali Sharma, hopes to provide these technologies to those who are most in need by seeing the potential for adapting them to fighter jets and submarines. DIFRA has commended the effort, noting how quickly it went from a notion to a really powerful platform. Figure wants to build robots that will boost human well-being in addition to increasing productivity and efficiency. The company is one step closer to realizing that vision thanks to Figure 02's superior capabilities. The Figure is an AI robotics startup, creating all-purpose autonomous humanoid robots. Figure's goal is to use cutting-edge AI to increase human potential. Will Figure 02 and other AI robots result in a mass loss of jobs, posing new difficulties for global workforces and economies? How do we get ready for a time when a lot of the jobs that humans do now may be replaced by robots? What social and economic ramifications might we expect from a future in which robots become more and more integrated into our daily lives? Kindly hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.